After the emergence of the democratic South Africa, black leaders appealed to fellow blacks to forgive the whites for the atrocities they had committed while in power. It means, as we know, that when white government was in power, it committed several types of atrocities against the blacks. But after a struggle and negotiation for designing a constitution or accept a constitution or to establish a rule of law in South Africa, the black leaders appealed to their fellow men to forgive the whites for the atrocities that they committed when they were in power. They said, "Let us build a new South Africa based on equality of all races and men and women, on democratic values, social justice and human rights." It means sometimes question may be asked that what are the bases of the South African Constitution? The following were the basis of the South African Constitution. They were equality of all races and men and women. Secondly, democratic values. Third, social justice. And fourth, human rights. The party that ruled through oppression and brutal killings, and the party that led the freedom struggle to sit together to draw up a common constitution. It means the atrocized or suffered black people and the people who were in favor of brutal and oppressive government, they became ready to sit together to draw a new constitution. After 2 years of discussion, debate, they came out with one of the finest constitution the world has ever had. It means after 2 years discussion and debate, all the leaders of the both sides, as blacks and white, came out with one of the finest constitution in the world that had never in the world. This constitution gave to its citizens the most extensive rights. It means the new constitution of South Africa gives the extensive rights to its citizens. Together a solution to the problems. Nobody should be excluded. It means for solution a problem, this constitution provides the rights to citizens that nobody would be excluded for solution of a problem. No one should be treated as a demon. They agreed that everybody should become a part of the solution, whatever they might have done or represented in the past. All the values of the Constitution are consisted or contained in the preamble. It means sometimes an independent question may be asked that what do you mean by preamble of the Constitution? So dear students, preamble of the Constitution is the mirror of the Constitution. Preamble is the sum of the Constitution. Preamble is the sum value, political, social, economical, and cultural of a country through which the country would be governed and country would be ruled. The South African Constitution inspires democrats all over the world. It means South African Constitution, such a constitution through which the democrats in all over the world are inspired. It means South African Constitution inspires the democrats in all over the world. This constitution this constitution makes the country a model of democracy that was denounced earlier. It makes the change possible, which is by the determination of the people of South Africa to work together. It means this constitution allows all the people to work together to transform bitter experiences into the binding glue of rainbow nation. This constitution makes the country like a rainbow. Speaking on the South African Constitution, Mandela said, when Constitution was prepared, then Mandela said that the Constitution of South Africa speaks both the past and future. In the one hand, it is Solomon Pact in which we as South Africans declare to one another that we shall never permit a repetition of our racist. It means the South African Constitution prohibits the repetition of racist, repetition of repressive measures. It does not allow the repetition of brutal killings, but it is more than that. It is also a charter for the citizens, for the transformation of our country into one which is truly shared by its people. A country which is in the fullest sense belongs to all of us, black and white, women and men. It means the South African Constitution provides the right to equality to blacks and white as well as men and women. Dear students, thus we see that South Africa went to design a constitution and constitution was prepared. In next class, we will discuss, we will talk about why do we need a constitution, or why does a country need a constitution which is democratic, or a democratic country why does need a constitution. Thank you. Okay.